Okay, now we're going to actually do the roof. And this is 3.1.4 commercial roofs. And you can see I'm in my engineering notebook, and I've taken the exercise and I have placed it into the pages of the notebook with glue, of course. And over here is, well, it says number one, we're going to research different roof treatments that are going to allow humans to walk on them and document these products, three products that could be used on the lower roof of the Keystone Library. So it's something that's going to be on here. This is going to be a green roof. Green means plants and vegetation and stuff like that. And then on the green roof, you're going to put some sort of a walkway. I'll use brick as an example. There might be some other materials that I'll let you discover on your own to use as material to encourage people to walk on them rather than on the vegetation. So this is a usable roof for people. Okay, so that's number one. I didn't do it in here, but you can do snips off of the internet and put the pictures on there, and then of course label them. You can either handwrite the labels or type them, doesn't matter to me. Then, and by the way, you should be able to find this 3.1.4 in the student share folder under CIM, or CEA, sorry. Then number two is you're going to select a low roof treatment walking surface for the library roof and justify our choice. So down here you research it and find the three, and then up here you decide which one you would really prefer. Then the third thing is to research green roofs and document at least two of them that can be used in the lower roof of the library. Sketch a cross section of each system and label each required labor. I didn't do hand sketches of mine, but I did go out on the internet and find these. I wasn't sitting at a color printer when I did this, so I do expect you though to hopefully make these in color, and you can print them in the LMC and get them done that way. And then so there's a list, by the way, of the different layers that might be used. And then the last page is select a green roof system for the Keystone Library renovation. Justify your choice, and then model the green roof system in your architectural software. And there's going to be a video, of course, about doing this. Then create a detailed section view of the green roof in your 3D architectural software. And I should be able to get that shown to you at the end of the video. So let's go away from this right here, and I'll minimize this guy. Okay, you go away. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to be on the roof system here, and the very first roof that I'm going to put on is the second floor roof over this part of the building. Now it's going to be what's called an Epdm roof, and Epdm is defined in the PowerPoint for this. And we're going to actually go to the elevation for the south here. Let's see, where is the elevations? Here we go. So we're going to go to the south elevation, and I got to ask you, what floor or what elevation here do you think the roof is going to go on? That's right, the upper roof framing layer. So in the project browser right here, we're going to go to the upper roof framing and click. And now we're going to just zoom in a little bit here so we can see this a little bit easier. There we go. And we're going to go to the architectural tab, and we're going to select roof. And in the roof choices, I'm going to go and find Epdm, and I should be able to find, here it is. Actually, I was on it. Insulation on metal deck, Epdm. I think that's the one I want. Yep. Now, I'm going to select walls here. So I got to go to my pick walls, and I want to pick the north wall, the east wall, the south wall, and the west wall. And I want to just make sure that all those corners match up, and they do. I want to hit the check mark, and I have the roof all done now. And I think if I take a look at this in 3D, you can see the roof. And that completes the Epdm roof. Next, we'll talk to you about the green roof down here.